Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Christmas or Vlogmas. This is my December video marathon, and today's video is the Sephora 24 Surprises Advent Calendar. And it literally says pick a box at random from December 1st to the 23rd. And then the 24th of December is kind of its own thing. It says one exclusive surprise on the last day. I have heard not the best things about this particular calendar. The actual Sephora calendar that has like Sephora favorites stuff in it, I thought was a slam dunk. I don't know if y'all have already seen that or if this is going up first. I don't really know, y'all. But I've heard not the best things about this. I'll do all the pricing and stuff like that right here on the screen for y'all. So I guess we're just gonna go in. What I'm looking for with a calendar to kind of see am I getting my money's worth is looking at the packaging. I actually like the packaging. It does feel slightly less weighted than some of the other ones that I've done for the year. And I do actually like, I'm cool either way, like either part of the spectrum. I like something that screams holiday and screams Christmas, and I like when things do not. So I like the packaging as well. I'm gonna be looking for ease of use. How easy is it for me to actually open up the calendar itself, open up each door collectively? And I note that for those of us that do have strength or dexterity issues with our hands and our fingers. And then, do I feel like I'm getting my money's worth? I will also note too, that whatever I feel like I'm not gonna use, it ends up going into my resale group over on Facebook. And then I also do a ton of giveaways and stuff like that throughout specifically the holiday season, but I do giveaways all year long, y'all. I kind of actually like those, that it's like a little let's grab and go type of thing. So dexterity wise, I think we're gonna be okay unless I can't open the actual boxes. So I'm just gonna go in and just grab stuff. It does kind of tell us on the side of the box what's in here, so I'm literally just trying to not look at it. And I like this. I can already tell it's gonna be easy. That was literally zero effort. What in the world are you? Oh, that's actually pretty nice, and I love the color. I love pink. This is a pair of tweezers that's got like the little comb and then the tweezer part. I actually like those, and I kind of need new tweezers, so I'm not mad at it. I know maybe this is not going to be for everybody, and of course, you know, it's subjective. Maybe you like everything that's in here and I hate everything, or vice versa. This is more so just to kind of show you what they have in the boxes. I would also like to note too, I do recycle, so y'all don't come for me in the comments, okay? All right, next up, I'm just going to start grabbing. Again, incredibly easy to open. I love that thus far. This is the Sephora it's all Sephora collection. 12-hour colorful color eye pencil in black lace, and it is also waterproof. Ooh. Okay. I do want to swatch it. Wow. Intense and very, very creamy. I'm gonna actually keep this on here and hopefully remember to kind of smudge it and see what it does. So I like that. I'm not mad at that at all. Next up, we got a little box right here. I like the colors of this. Okay, we have the brightening eye cream with hyaluronic acid. I like it. It's almost like a Kleenex box, and I'm just like pulling random Kleenex boxes out the box. All right. Ooh, this one's got some weight to it. I'm hoping for some full sizes. Okay, okay. Oh, I'm not mad at that at all. This is the Sephora Makeup Setting Spray. 16-hour wear, transfer proof, sweat, and humidity resistant, y'all. And I'm pretty sure this is a full size. Not mad at that at all. Okay. Next up. Ooh. This is a new release for them too. This is the Love the Lift mascara, I'm assuming. Yes. I'm actually really excited about this. That packaging is stunning. And I am a mascara junkie. I love mascaras. They are my most purchased, most gone through, most used up products. So definitely not mad at that either. Next up. I'm liking this. I don't know why people are talking crap about it. Unless this is not the one that people keep, you know, throwing through the dirt. I like it so far. Oh. I spoke too soon. You know, they paid 8 cents for this. I don't want to see this in an advent calendar. I will say though that I'm liking that I'm not seeing like Christmassy stuff, golds and silvers and reds like every other subscription or like every other advent calendar. I'm not gonna use this. I do like the color though, I'll say that. But yeah, I'm gonna put that in the pile that I don't really like. And then we'll kind of go through the things that I think I would use and the things I do not like. Another heavier, larger box. Okay. This is a hair sleeping mask. Nourishing and repairing hair cap. I've never heard of that, but I'm excited and I'm intrigued by it. I feel like the things here, okay, so basically you have like your hair mask, like a traditional, you know, hair mask, and then you have the bonnet to put over it. I actually like that a lot. I was gonna talk shit for a second, but I like this idea. I use their foot mask and stuff like that, and I love them. So, okay, not mad at it. I thought I was about to talk crap, y'all, but I'm not. Next up, this one feels very light. I feel like this is kind of a staple in most of them. It is a beauty sponge. I will say it does feel quite soft. Not my favorite, so I'm going to stick it over here in the not my favorites part. I did just nick my little finger and get a little paper cut. That's all right. Next up, this is teeny tiny, but it has a little bit of weight to it. So I have high hopes. Okay, this is the all day hydrator, hydrate and glow. Okay. Ooh, it also feels heavy. I like how easy this is to open, y'all. Oh, I think I actually already had this before. I don't know if I decluttered it. This is the Outrageous Intense Lip Plumper in the shade Fever. I'm almost positive this is the one that I had, and I did like it. Okay. I'm not mad at it at all, you guys. Next up, this also feels pretty heavy. That's a good size as well. This is the Express Waterproof Makeup Remover with cornflower extract for waterproof makeup and sensitive eyes. I'm actually excited to have this. Okay. Another big box. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, this is the Manoy Moisturizing Body Lotion. That sounds amazing. I like the packaging. Okay. Ooh, that feels very heavy for a teeny tiny box. Oh, and a pretty color too. It's not just red. And I have nothing. I love red. I love reds and golds and silvers and greens and all the things. This is their nail polish in the shade Berry Red. That is red. Do you all see red? I do not. But it is a very beautiful color. I like that. Okay. Next up, I was about to say it feels empty. It's a little keychain, like a little hot pink little bobber keychain. Also not my favorite, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, next up, there's already something fuzzy kind of sticking out of this. Oh, okay, I like that. Look, I was talking shit about this one, but I love this. It feels super soft, and it's actually big enough for me to get around my hair and stuff like that. I love the color. Okay, I like that. Now, with this kind of stuff, I want to know how you guys feel. Are we okay with, like, the brighter colors and stuff? Are we okay with it not being holiday? Or would you guys have rather seen, you know, holiday colors, golds and silvers, maybe blacks with golds, reds, greens? I'm curious. This, I love. This I will definitely keep and use. Alrighty. Next up, a little bit of weight to it. Another mask. This is the Face Mask Moisturizing and Glowing with Lychee Extract. I'm not mad at that kind of stuff. Sorry if y'all can see that. I literally just, like, cut my finger on the packaging. I'm so sorry. This is fun. This is heavy. Ooh. Okay, I like that. We got the nail polish, and then we also got the Shine and Wear top coat. So I like that we got the top coat to go with it as well. And I don't mind getting nail polish. Oh, there's so many still to go. Good gracious. This one's also very light. It is some little hair barrettes. There's a hot pink and an orange. I do like that everything is cohesive. Like we've got, you know, the orange with the pink and the orange with the pink. They feel kind of cheap. I feel like it's a, you know, a throwaway product, which I'm sure somebody would be happy to get these. And it's not the most awful thing in the world, but not something I necessarily want to see in my advent calendar. Okay, a little bit of weight here. Okay, this is the Prebiotic Clean Skin Gel Cleanse and Tone for face, eyes, and neck. So I like that. I like the aspect of kind of building. We've got Hydrate and Glow, we've got a cleanser, and then we've got our eye cream. So we're kind of building a little bit of a full kind of skincare routine. And I do feel like there's enough in there that we can get an idea, you know, at least a week or so out of that you can kind of feel like, so you can kind of get an idea, do you like these products or do you not like these products? Next up, another big one. Okay, another mask. I could kind of see why people get upset if it's a little repetitive, which I do feel like it is. Oh, it's not a mask. It is the Hydrating Cleansing Wipes. I'm also not mad at that. Okay. Okay. Next up, a little bit of weight. Ooh, that is pretty. We have an eyeshadow in Milky Way, which is a shimmer. I think that's beautiful and pretty universal as well. Ooh, I like that. Okay. I hope I didn't accidentally open up number 24 already. Okay, now it's completely under there. Okay, this I think is another mask. This is a Bright Booster Mask. Vitamin C. One pair of eye patches. Okay, I don't mind. I don't mind that. Especially with, I mean, obviously this is a winter calendar, so I like to focus on prepping our skin and keeping our skin nice and quenched and hydrated for the winter season. So I don't mind that. I think this is the last. This is the last thing until we go to door number 24. It's another mask. And a lip mask. Okay, I'm not mad at it. This is one lip mask in Cherry. So we got face, hair, eyes, and lips. I honestly don't mind that, you guys. All right, day number 24. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Yeah, so all that stuff was completely separate from day 24. Like there's a little piece in there. If I can open this, that would be great. Alrighty. That's quite small. Let me just make sure nothing else is in here. I would like to see another makeup product. Maybe a cute little eyeshadow duo or something like that. Oh! Ooh, I don't know what you are. Oh, I'm not mad at that at all. I actually have one of these and I love the formula of this. This is the Colorful Blush Glaze in Tropical Dawn. Now, is everybody going to want a punchy orange blush like this? Nope. But do I? I sure do. Am I going to use it, you know, right now? Possibly not. But summertime, I live for reddy, orangey, rusty type blushes. I actually like this. I'm going to give it, I can't really give it a 5 because in my opinion and to me, there are a couple of throwaway products. But I still feel like it's a great value. I feel like I'm going to use most of what's here. I feel like if somebody else were to get this, especially somebody that's kind of newer to makeup, beauty, you know, skincare, stuff like that. We've got some nail polish. We've got cleansers. We've got masks. We've got something for our hair. I like the overall aesthetic, the ease of use. Everything was easy to open up. And I like the overall selection of everything. I think I'm going to give it like a 4.5. I feel like for the value, I feel like I got my money's worth. You know, the eyeliner, the mascara, like there's a ton of products in here that I already know and love and have used, and tons of products that I'm excited to try from the brand. So I would like to know your opinions. Do you guys feel like it was worth the price or not? I'd like to know. Let's have that conversation down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you all so, so much. I hope you guys are having the most amazing holiday season, whether you celebrate or not. Thank you for just coming into my space and for allowing me into your space. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. You can also turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And y'all, you don't want to miss anything this month. I'm uploading every single day this month. Send help, please. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.